Hey there! Sometimes you just need a really quick way to cook corn on the cob, whether it's for a recipe like soup or salad, or maybe you just want 1 ear of corn for yourself. So rather than boiling a big pot of water, I just like to use the microwave. I leave it in the husk and the steam kind of just lets it cook all in its own little envelope, and it makes it really simple to peel the husk and the silk at the same time. So let me show you how. So we start by trimming off just this little excess husk because we don't need that when it cooks, but we'll leave the rest intact so that it can cook in its own little container. And then we just give it a quick rinse under some water, and then we pop it in the microwave for about 4 minutes. So when it's done, be careful because it's going to be hot, and just carefully peel back a little bit just to check for doneness. If it needs a little more time, then just add 30 seconds back in the microwave, but look, it's pretty done. It's so easy to peel, and you'll see that the silk comes off very easily. So there you go. I hope that's helpful and you can enjoy your corn much faster.